Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is for anyone that might wake up in the mornings with a stiff lower back or some lower back pain. So please take your time with it, know your own abilities and go easy with it. So it's a nice gentle one, suitable for all levels, but in regards to medical conditions, you know your own personal medical conditions. So if this is something that you need to avoid, then enjoy the inspiration of the practice, but don't participate in it. So if you want to meet me on your mat, we're going to lie on our backs. So lie on your back, keep your soles of your feet connected to the mats. Just bring the feet out a little bit wider than hip width and let both knees fall in and just touch each other. You can keep the hands on the tummy or you can rest the hands down by the sides of the body. Close the eyes and we'll hold here for 5 deep breaths. Just open the knees, keep the soles of the feet connected to the mat. You're going to lift that right foot up. And if you can, just extend it up into the air, keep a bend into the knee. And you're going to bring the hands around the back of the right thigh, just gently hugging it in towards your body. Keep that left foot onto the mat and just press down in through your lower back to press it down into the mat as you hug the right knee in. Again, we're holding for 5 breaths. And if it's an option, you can bend into that right knee a wee bit more, maybe hook onto the big toes with the peace fingers, the index finger, middle finger. Bring the left hand down to the left side, just press it down, and you're going to bend into that right knee even more as you pull it down in towards the right side of the body. So you'll feel a nice stretch here along the hamstring, pressing down into the right side of your lower back. Hold it there for 5 deep breaths. Try not to let this left knee fall to the side. Keep the sole of the foot connected to the mat and keep the knee upright. Well done. You can release that right hand. Again, extend the right leg up towards the sky. Bring the hands around the back of the thigh and just draw it in towards the body, pressing down in through your lower back. And bend that right knee, hug it in towards the belly. Extend the left leg. Hold it there, pressing down into that lower back as you hug the right knee in towards the body. Awesome. You can release that right foot back down to the mat. Keep the sole of the right foot on the mat, keep a bend to that right knee, keep the left leg extended, and just let that right knee fall all the way down to the ground or onto the mat. coming into your reclined tree pose. Hold it there, 5 deep breaths. Well done. Bring that right knee all the way up to center. Bring the sole of the left foot to the mat. And again, we're going to bring those feet out nice and wide. Let the knees fall and touch. Relax the arms. Take 5 breaths before we go into the left side. Good job. And just open the knees up. Keep the soles of the feet connected to the mat. You're going to lift the left foot up. Bring the hands around the back of the left thigh. Keep a bend into the knee. And just draw that left knee in towards the belly as you press down in through your lower back, keeping the sole of the right foot connected to the mat. 5 deep breaths. And if it's an option you can reach, then you're going to bend into that left knee a little bit more. Maybe hook onto the big toe with the peace fingers. Release the right hand and just let that right hand rest down onto the right side just for a bit of balance and support. And just hold it there. Again, you're pressing down through your lower back, but more so into the left side this time. 5 deep breaths. Keep the sole of the right foot connected to the mat. Try not to let that right knee fall and open to the right. Just keep everything on the mat. And you can release that left hand. Bring the hands around the back of the left thigh, gently hugging that leg back in towards the body. Taking deep breath. Well done. Then you're going to hug the left knee in towards your belly. So just bring your palms of the hands around the knee, the left knee, and extend that right leg down the mat. Getting distracted by insects. Hold it there for 5 deep breaths. Good job. And just release the hands. Bring the sole of the left foot onto the mat. Again, keeping the right leg extended this time. You're going to let that left knee fall to the left side, coming into your reclined tree pose. Holding it there for 5 deep breaths. Well done. And you can bring that left knee up. Bring the sole of the right foot to the mat. Again, bring the feet out wide. Let the knees fall and touch. 5 more breaths. And we can lift the feet, bring both knees in towards the belly this time. Just cup the knees with the palms of the hands. You can rock side to side, pressing down into your lower back, giving your lower back a gentle massage. And then pause in center and just squeeze the knees in and lift the head, bring the nose up towards the knees for 5 deep breaths. And if you can, you're going to hold on to your feet just before you roll back down, and you're going to roll all the way back into your happy baby. Open the feet up nice and wide. Hold it here for 5 more deep breaths. You can gently rock side to side if you wish, or you can stay in stillness. Good job. Bring those feet back together and just rock yourself up into a seated position. All the way up. Turn the feet. Come to tabletop. Stack your joints and we'll move gently through our cats and cows. So drop the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, round your upper back, tuck the chin in. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale to round. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale, round. One more of each. Inhale, drop. Exhale, round. And inhale your body into center. And from here, bring the big toes behind to touch. Bring your knees out nice and wide. Sit bones down on top of the heels. Extend those arms. Forehead to the mat. And again, 5 deep breaths. Getting a nice stretch along the spine. Right from the bottom all the way up to the top. Good job, everyone. And you can make your way up. Come to a nice seated position. Sitting up nice and tall, legs crossed. And we'll just finish off in our meditative posture, in our easy pose. Keep the palms and hands just on tops of the knees, relax the shoulders. Finish off with taking 10 deep breaths. You can flicker the eyes open, and to get one last release into that lower back, just bring the hands forward and walk them forward to your own degree. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and make your way back up. Thank you all for joining me in this practice. I hope I was able to give your lower back a gentle release so you feel a little bit better to get on with your day ahead. Thank you, and see you in the next one.